Hello everyone, my name is Lunga Kanyile from Tapped Forex. I want to quickly show you how to use Fibonacci Tool in your Forex trading. So let's just assume that you want to trade a bearish move on gold. We have already seen a strong pin bar of rejection on gold. So let's take it down to 4-hour time frame. So if you want to trade a bearish move here on gold, we will start from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high. So the tool will automatically identify key levels, and also we can see that the price was forming higher highs and high lows, higher highs all the way up, and now it has failed to create new higher highs. So we can wait for the breakout. Just for another confirmation, you can also construct another like ascending trend line like this, just to see your key entry level. So you can also wait for the price to go beyond this ascending trend line and close above before jumping to any trade. So if we want to trade maybe a bullish move, we would have done the opposite. So we will start from the most recent swing high to the most recent swing low. So we will have something like this. So that is how you use Fibonacci retracement tool in your Forex trading. Thank you for watching. To get more of videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm Lunga Kanyile from Tapped Forex. Thank you for watching. Bye.